Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. In the 33rd stanza of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written, Akhan jor chupe na jor, jor na mangan den na jor, jor na jeevan maran na jor, jor na rajmal mansoor, jor na surti gyan vichar, jor na jukti chute sansar, jisa jor karve ke soe, nanak uttam neech na koe. In this stanza, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking about that the powers which have been given to us. He's letting us know that we should never have a feeling in us that I am doing something. He says we do not have any kind of power within us to do anything, even to speak. If we are thinking that I am speaking, then I am wrong. If I think that I have the capability of keeping quiet, then I am wrong. He says, Akhan jor, chupe na jor. Akhan means speaking. Chup means keeping silent. He said it's not in our hands to speak or to even keep quiet. You cannot even, seek something on your own. We cannot even seek, or we cannot even give something. Akhan jor chupe na jor, jor na mangan den na jor. Mangan means seeking, den means giving. We can not seek something, ask for something on our own. We cannot even give something to someone on our own. Akhan jor chupe na jor, jor na mangan den na jor, jor na jeevan maran na jor. It's not in our hands even to live properly, lead our life. And at the same time, even dying is not in our hands. We die only when He has ordained it. Yeah, committing suicide and murdering someone is something else. Akhan jor chupe na jor, jor na mangan den na jor, jor na jeevan mar na jor, jor na raj mal mansoor. We cannot rule on our own. We cannot collect the materialistic luxuries on our own. Nothing is in our hands. Even glorifying ourselves with the knowledge that we collect, that is also not in our hands. Jorna Surti Gyan Vichar. If we think that we are capable of debating and we have put in our own efforts and learned so much, well, Guru Nanak Dev Ji doesn't believe in that. Jorna Surti Gyan Vichar, Jorna Jukti Chute Sansar. We don't even know how to depart from this world. Jorna Jukti Chute Sansar. Then finally, who has all this control? He says, Jisa jor karve ke soe, nanak uttam neech na koe. He says, all this power, empowerment that we think we have, this empowerment is there in the hands of the Lord, not with us. He says, Nanak uttam neech na koe. No one is uttam or neech on his own. Everything is ordained by the Lord. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking of great thought, a new kind of philosophy. He says, neither the goodness that I have is mine, nor the bad things that I have are mine. They're all fixed. It all happens as per His commandment. He wants me to be good, so He enables me to become good. He wants me to pass through certain bad phases, and He does that. So this is the theme of 33rd stanza of Japji Sahib. I have tried to put across with whatever little knowledge I have. I might have faltered in various places. I might have skipped certain things for which I seek forgiveness. And please subscribe to this channel and please post your comments so that I can improve for my further endeavors in putting across whatever little Bani or any other knowledge that I have to all of you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.